Hi everyone, Dr. Gustin here. It's week 11 and we'll be talking about sensory mechanisms. Before I get started on what's going on this week, I just wanted to mention that your discussions from week 9 are graded. They took me a little while and I apologize for that. But yeah, they were the ones where you told a story of somebody you knew or about yourself or about something you're interested in that related to the systems we were talking about, and you looked into it a little bit farther. And I always find sharing stories like this to be really, really interesting. It's something that you miss when you have an online class. You know, a lot of these stories come out live in class, and it's a little bit more forced, but it's just really cool to hear about people's stories. And I really appreciate people who added a personal twist to them and told us some details about things that you just wouldn't know otherwise. So thank you for sharing, and thanks for taking the time and reading each other's posts. And so many of you were just so kind and understanding and supportive of your classmates and your responses. So I really appreciate that. I definitely learned a couple things that I didn't know about. So um, I thought that was really good. So let's see, this week we're going to be, like I said, sensory mechanisms, vision and hearing. And this unit is kind of unique that it's really kind of parts in what they do. And then if you understand what the parts do, you'll understand, this is my cat, you'll understand what would happen to the hearing or the vision if that particular part had a problem. And so if you can talk through the parts of the eye, like as the light flows through it, or the parts of the ear as the sound waves pass through it, and say what each part does, like I said, if you understand that, then you'll understand when something goes wrong. And so I made a couple videos, and I highly recommend that you use them, that I'm talking through that exact thing. So you should try to do what I do in the videos, is name the parts even with your picture or without your picture. Name the parts and trace it as far as the function for both the ear and the eye. Lab and lecture have really similar information, so you can see that I recommended that you do lecture and then lab, and then do your lecture quiz and then your lab quiz, because it kind of builds and it will help you do well on all those. So go practice your parts of your eyes and parts of your ears, and good luck this week. Take care.